Hey everyone, this is Ian and I'm back with another Audi TT Mk1 video. This time my headlight switch has gone a little bit funny, where you can see the top red LEDs have gone out. Or in this case, they've gone a little bit funky and have turned into a little bit of a disco. So there's some things you can do to try and fix this, but what I found is replacing the inside component has done the trick. So initially I changed the boards for a spare board, but then that's when that flashy thing started to happen. And what I thought was that some of the components needed resoldering again. So this is what I've attempted to do here. And you can see the result.
Let's turn that on. Oh, okay, so it's back for now, which is good. Let's turn that up. Nope, did not fix it. Damn it. So it looks like some things back there are actually on its way out. Maybe some of the parts need replacing. Saw that straight away. The light turned off, which is a bit annoying, but I'm gonna have to try and fix that somehow. Hey, this one from AliExpress looks a little bit different on the inside, but I think it's going to work. So I'm gonna test this out.
Okay, so this is the AliExpress listing and you can see that it's not very expensive at all. And it is compatible for the Audi C5 and some other models here up to an S6. When you look at the logos on the rim of the front plate, it's exactly the same. So my theory was this should match up.
After resorting to removing the interior of that replacement switch, which I got from AliExpress, it was for an A4, B5 A4. I have everything working again. So I did remove the internals of the left side as well, so that the LEDs matched on the right. I found that if I didn't switch it over, this was quite dim here. But the board fits in the same, which is great after a little bit of modification, which I had to sort of resolder the pins on. But after that, you've got a perfectly good and working switch gear again, and the LEDs up the top are all good, which you can see there. You can see that lights up correctly. Same with the bottom one, and it's all working really nice. I'll turn the flash off so you can see exactly what's going on. There we go. The dimmer still works, of course. And front fog lights, you got the green light here. Back fog light, you got the yellow light lighting up down the bottom. That's looking good. And we are fixed. Finally.
Hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more Audi TT Mk1 content and other cars as well. See you soon.